Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of December? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if it was right or see if it was wrong. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is Bitcoin. We are guessing the price of Bitcoin for December 2025. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around $92,931. Looking back at Bitcoin's historical performance in December since it first launched, has December usually been a positive or negative month for Bitcoin? Give me 3 guesses for December 2025, a bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. And it looks like we officially have our answer from ChatGPT. As for the trend of December, it looks like most Decembers tend to lean slightly more positive when it comes to Bitcoin. But let's get to the actual guesses now. The bullish guess, $104,500, range $101,000 to $108,000. The official guess, this is the guess that matters. This is the guess that ChatGPT actually gets rated on. $98,200, range $95,500 to $100,900. The bearish guess, $89,000, range $86,000 to $92,500. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you guys think. Do you think this will be a green month for Bitcoin, or do you think it's going to be ultimately another red month and the negativity is going to continue on? I'll say this, December 2nd, we've had a pretty nice day today. Things have looked green, things have looked positive. So far, it does look like, at least from the guesses yesterday into today, things are starting to be a little bit more positive going into December. But like I said, let me know in the comment section below what you think. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.